Hi, I am Gyan Arav, a class 12 student standing right here at the Central Hindu School where musical destinies, the soul of Varanasi's cultural heartbeat, has been nurtured for 127 years. Varanasi or Kashi is the spiritual and cultural capital of India. It is a legacy rooted in antiquity from being mentioned in the Shastras, Vedas to being a UNESCO creative city of music. Varanasi has a lot to offer to a cultural music enthusiast. So I welcome you, all of you, to the cultural Varanasi where music meets timeless sound.
Varanasi is a home to timeless musical artists, diverse musical culture, and a countless musical tradition. Music isn't just a part of life here, it is the very spirit of Kashi. Hi, I'm Pranjal Dikshit, a class 12 student from CHS. Like many of you, I've grown up listening Shehnai at weddings, Thumri on my grandfather's radio, and now on Instagram Reels. From the sitar, tabla, pakhavaj to the Shehnai, Varanasi has given the world some of the greatest masters of these instruments. Bharat Ratna, Ustad Bismillah Khan. The man who took the Shehnai from the streets of Banaras to the global stage. Bharat Ratna Pandit Ravi Shankar. Who turned the sitar into an internationally celebrated instrument. Padma Vibhushan Girija Devi. The Empress of Thumri, whose voice echoed from the Sankat Mochan Mandir to the biggest concert halls around the world. And these are just a few examples of how rich and eternal the musical heritage of Kashi truly is.
This river has carried melodies for millennia. Now they are streaming on Spotify. Hi, I am Mohit Ras, a class 12 student from CHS. Classical music didn't fade, it remixed. From temples to TikTok, ragas evolved. The Guru teaches through Zoom now. The student learned with AI. Guru Sishya Parampara, it is gone digital now. We are Region Tech to save what time might erase. 3D printed tanpuras, virtual reality, concert halls, and algorithmic ragas that can never be forgotten. When sitar meets modernism, that's not betrayal, it's survival.
Can't visit Varanasi? Put on a VR headset. Boom! You're at Ganga Aarti now, hearing Shehnai in your living room. It isn't just tech, it's keeping culture alive for everyone. And the youth? They're rocking tradition. Meet Rishabh Rikhiram Sharma. A Gen Z music icon who is on the path of becoming the next Pandit Ravi Shankar. Another example of innovation is this song. Using an electric sitar? Now that's some innovation.
This is where tradition begins, not in concert halls, but school music rooms. Where apps like Riyaz meet 127-year-old instruments, one learning from gurus, one from AI, both keeping the ragas alive.
I have discovered Pandit Ravi Shankar through YouTube shorts, and trust me, I've never regretted those 18 seconds of my life. When a kid discovers Megh Malhar through a video game, that's how traditions outlive centuries.
This music isn't just a sound, it is the soul, the identity of Varanasi etched into every ghats and India's soft power connecting continents through ragas.
But most importantly, it is consciousness. Every ana teaches patience. Every tan demands mastery. In essence, we have never needed more.
The Ganga never stops flowing, and neither does this music. Our call? Listen, preserve, and pass it on, not as a relic but as a living force. After all, Nad Brahma. In Varanasi, divinity always sings.